today we're just doing a vlog on this. It's my vape. Pretty good. Got no liquid in it, and my thing is forked, my tank, and I need new filter in it because it turns rank. Get a drink. I'm just gonna go upstairs. I need toilet for someone. Let's go. I'm going down. Because ghosts in my house is a ghost in the bathroom upstairs. So I'm not doing that. I ain't going upstairs because there's a ghost. So, just bored. My boy just always open the cupboards. Giveaways today. Comment down below if you want to win the giveaway. Email me at jfozzy1234567@hotmail.com to tell me your shipping details to get this Jolly Bank. Anyway, bye.